At Bangkok University International, I will open every door.
I will
attract millions of followers with my content. I will learn how to create unique social media content with professional facilities and maximize engagement with experts on each media platform. I will become a passionate chef with an eye for design. I will learn from start chefs in a state-of-the-art kitchen to make sure that my recipes will inspire the world. In a hotel lab facility, I will experience every angle of hospitality and gain real-life skills through internships in world-class hotels. I will raise the bar of hospitality. Empowered by the experience, advice, and the entrepreneurial spirit from founders and industry experts throughout the program. I will build and run new businesses.
Will AI become more advanced than humans?
There are some things that AI won't be able to accomplish.
I will master both language and business by practicing in real-life situations and joining the international community.
I will communicate with the world. I will.
I will.
I will.
I will.
I will discover how to create strategies and ideas from mentors from leading brand agencies. I will spark my idea and turn it into a reality. I will learn creative marketing intelligences and how to optimize them from renowned firms to achieve the best results, so that I will reach new target consumers with marketing technology. I will creatively utilize technology to master design and learn from acclaimed international designers. My passion will lead me to infinite possibilities.
I will.
Bangkok University International.